Right now, I'm going to be talking about random. So random is a function that can help us generate random numbers, and it's really cool if you want to create some small project. So because in the next tutorial, we'll be creating a small project. So what is random? So you give it a range, let's say between 0 and 100, and then you run it, and it's going to give you a value between 0 and 100 randomly, like let's say it could be giving us 11, 15, 99, and etc. Okay, so in order to do that, we need to import a module. Python has a lot of modules, meaning you can download and install a lot of libraries for Python. This is why it's so powerful. And the module we will be importing is called random. Okay, and the way to do it, first we would say the keyword import, and then we say the module name. Okay, now let us execute this. Now let us code that random we have talked about. We're going to say import random. This is the name of the library that we are importing. Now, in order to generate a number, we are going to say the following. Let's say x is the variable I want to store the random number in. And we're going to say random dot rand integer, and then we will put the range. Let's say it's from between 0 to 99. Now, if we say print random number is, and we just put x, click on run, we will see that we got 14. If we run it again, we are getting a different number now. It is 86, again 76, again 51, again 73. See, this is what a random number generator does, and it's really cool and has tons of applications.